Hello folks, I'm Nick, bartender here at the Willows Lodge. Today we're going to teach you how to make a paper plane cocktail. One of my particular favorite cocktails, very easy to make. In fact, it's easier to make this cocktail than a paper plane, literally. We have equal parts lemon juice, Amaro Nonino, Aperol, and whiskey. We can actually use any type of whiskey you like. In this demonstration, we'll be using Woodinville Rye Whiskey. So here we go. A few essentials that we would like to have at our home bar before we get started. A measuring cup or a jigger, Hawthorne strainer, optional, fine mesh strainer, a coupe glass or a martini glass, really any kind of glass, let's be honest, and some shaker tins. Okay, so we are going to get started on our cocktail. First ingredient, we want to use our least expensive ingredient, which is our lemon juice. We have 3/4 ounce lemon juice. Next, 3/4 ounce Amaro Nonino. Aperol, also 3/4 ounce. And finally, our whiskey. So at this point, we have poured all of our ingredients into our smaller tin. We want to get some ice. Make sure you get a tight seal and shake. The more smiling, the more the energy comes out in your cocktail. So I recommend smiling a lot. Shake for about 15 seconds. Make sure you get all that liquid off that small tin. Hawthorne, strainer, voila. Take a lemon, a nice wide peel, express the oils, rim the glass, drop it in. Cheers.